Hello guys, hope all of you are fine wherever you are in this world. Okay guys, today I am going to share with you another powerful trick on the volleyball, guys. Okay, and I am sure that you are going to love this amazing trick. Okay, this trick is going to really help you to make extra money on 1xbet very easily, guys. Okay, so if you are new here, okay, and you don't want to miss any of my new tricks, okay, the best way to never miss any of my new tricks is to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Okay, and also if you love what I'm doing, okay, give me a like. Okay, give me a like and share this video with your friends so that they can also enjoy these tricks. Okay guys, as you always used to said, okay, those of you who really wanted to secure their account, okay, the best way you can secure your 1xbet account so that whatever the total amount of money you are going to win, you will be able to withdraw your money without facing any issue. Okay, the best way to do that is to create a fresh and new account by using the best promo code in the world. Okay, the promo code is DVIP, all in capital letters. This promo code is the best promo code in the world in terms of security. Okay guys, this promo code is going to secure your account, guys. Whatever the total amount of money you are going to win on the 1xbet platform, this promo code will allow you to get your money without facing any issue, guys. It is the best promo code on the 1xbet platform in the world in terms of security, guys. Okay, and also this promo code will allow you to get 200% bonus on your first deposit, guys. Okay, so guys, we are not going to waste a lot of time. Let's go and let me show you this trick. Okay, first let's come to the volleyball here. Okay, then let's select a match here. Let's find this match and select this FIVB Nation League. Okay, and then let's select this match. Okay, as soon as we enter in this match, the first remark we can do here is that the home team have more chance to win this match. Okay, the home team have the home team are almost 100% sure that we are almost 100% sure that the home team is going to win this match. Okay, this is going to be very important. Okay, as you can see, the home team have an odd of 102. Okay, and this is the type of matches we are going to target. Okay, we are going to target the matches with an odd, the matches where the favorite team have an odd of we'll have an odd of 102, 110, 115, 112, 119, 118. Okay, but the odd of the favorite team have to be less than 1.20. Okay guys, I hope you understand what I'm saying. This is very important. Okay, the odd of the favorite team have to be less than 1.20. It is very important. Okay, so as soon as we check a match, as you can see, the weak team have an odd of 10. Okay, so the odd of the weakest team, okay, have to be more than 7. Okay, as soon as the odd of the favorite team is less than 20 and the odd of the weak team is more than 7, then we can target that match and place a bet on it. Guys, I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. Okay, it is very important. Then what you are going to do now, after we find a match who look exactly like this, okay, here we are 100% sure that the home team is going to win this match. Okay, so because we know that because the home team is 100% sure to win this match, we know that the home team will score more goals in the first half, okay, more than the second team. Okay, so what you are going to do now, we come to the first set. Okay, okay, we select the first set. Okay, and then we come down. Okay, first set in volleyball look is like you said first half in football. Okay, so them two, they have first set, second set, three sets. Okay, so we are going to target the first set and then we come down and we target this option, raise to points. Okay, two-way. Okay, let's click on it. Here the 1xbet is asking you which of these two teams will get the first 15, will score 15 points which of the two teams will be the first to score 15 points on the first set. Okay, guys, I hope you understand. It means that in the first set, like, or the first half, okay, this is the same thing as first half. Okay, on the first set, okay, if the Japan is the first team to reach 15 goal or 15 points, okay, then you win your match. Okay, this is the odd. Okay, this is the odd. Okay, if Japan is the first to hit 15 points, okay, to score 15 points at the first set, then you win your bet. Guys, it's going to be it's crazy, guys, and it is very easy, guys. Okay, another person can also come and select this. Okay, they are all the same. Okay, just that here is 10 and here is 15. Okay, so if at the first half Japan is the first to hit and to score 10 points or 15 points, then you win your bet in a very, very easy way, guys. And we can see that here the odds, the Japan odd is too low. It means that Japan have 100% chance to win this match. Okay, Japan is very, 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 very strong. Okay, and the second team is very, very weak. It is almost impossible for the second team to score the first 15 goals here. Okay, so what a smart person will just come to the first set here, first set or first half. It is the same thing. Okay, the person can just come here, okay, and select this option here, 10. Okay, first 10. Okay, it means by selecting this, you are just saying that Japan will be the first team to score the first 10 points in the match. Okay, or the person can just select also this. Okay, the two are very good. Okay, the two are very good. Okay, but for more security, the person can just select the 15. Okay, the first 15. Okay, guys, I hope you understand this trick. It is a very, very powerful trick. Okay, I'm going to place a bet on this and I'll show you even the result after. Okay, guys, so this is the trick I wanted to share with you on the volleyball today. Okay, tell me what you think about this trick. Okay, and tell me what you think on the comment. Okay, and if you like this trick and this option, share it with your friends so that they can also enjoy and make extra cash, extra money with these tricks. Okay, guys, so but please always, I have to repeat this, always make sure that the home team odds is less than 20, is less than 1.20. Okay, and the second team odds is above 7. Okay, as you can see here, 1.02 is less than 1.20. Okay, so this is the key of this trick. Okay, if you want to win or you want to lose, the odds of the favorite team will make the difference. Okay, so always make sure that the odds of the favorite team on which you are going to bet is very, very low. Okay, it's very important, guys. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, take care of yourself and have a nice day, guys. I love you guys. Okay, and tell me what you think on the comment, guys. Ciao.